everybody. So, been having problems with my horn relay recently. Well, not recently, but since I installed it. It's something's not right internally, and I don't know if I got it from the factory like that, but these posts are loose and they're sparking and grounding inside, and now my horn is not working. So I'm gonna take these screws off and flip it with the new one that I got in another kit with the 12-volt kit actually. And I got a spare, and I've been keeping it since until this one would crap out, because I fixed it temporarily with a zip tie to pull it to where it would work, but I see that's too far gone now, so I'm just gonna take it off and swap them out, and that'll be that. Just a little tip for people working on old cars: I always disconnect the battery whenever I'm doing anything electrical, because you never know what's going to happen with 70-year-old electronics and wiring. So just a little tip, just for the future. So I got the new one on there. The old one is complete junk. I've got it in the garage. I'll show it to you in a second. But I had to maneuver this differently compared to what the new one, or what the old one was, because this bracket was recessed on the old one, whereas this one is flush against the back of the relay itself. So I couldn't put it with that bolt because it wouldn't fit between them, and if I pried it out it still wouldn't fit because the whole unit would be hitting the inner fender. So I rigged it like that. I'm just pinching it with the bolt, and then the whatever screw it is, sheet metal screw, is holding on that side. So it's fixed. Horn works now. Should be permanently good. Let me show you the old one.